this is a very effective method and it can be very beneficial if you use it properly.
इतने सारे process. Thank you so much भैया for all the help.
एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के।
भैया, I am looking for an internship. I don't know how to apply. I see that you have interned at various big startups like Pratilipi and Trell. Can you please guide me?
Okay, so see, finding an internship is actually a very confusing and a very tiring process. Today I will share with you 3 tips that I personally used during my college time that helped me a lot to get interview offers and finally internship offers from lot many tech companies in India. So yeah, let's get started. So method 1 that I used was a very direct method. Suppose I wanted to intern at a company, then I would go to Google and search for that company and go to their career page. In their career page, they had an application form and I used to apply via that application form to that particular company. So one important tip that I want to give you is that if you know someone who is working in that company, then please make sure to go and ask him or her for a referral, because the referral always boosts the chances of interview. So that is point number 1 that I would like to share. So point number 2 is that use job portals like angel.co, linkedin.com, Hirist and cutshort.io.
Actually, I went through angel.co, but I'm pretty much confused to see so many companies and the filters. But can you please guide me?
So the website that I was talking about previously was AngelList, and it can be accessed at angel.co/jobs. You can see like there are approximately 16,000 jobs that are listed, and we need to niche it down. We need to figure out the jobs that suit our particular skill set. So I will directly head on to the filter. So in filter, let's say I want a job in front-end engineering, right? So front-end engineering, and I want my job to be in Bangalore, or let's say in Mumbai as well, or yeah, let's keep it for now as Bangalore. And then let's say I want to work on React.js only, so I will search for React, and then here it comes React.js. And then let's say I want an internship, and if you scroll down, yeah, this is a very important field, last active. So ideally I will say that keep the last active as 15 days so that it shows only the companies that have been active here for the last 15 days. Because if you apply to a company that is like not active here, then there is no point of wasting your time in applying, right? So here I put all the filters. That is, I want a front-end engineering job in Bangalore that uses React.js and is looking for an intern and has been active here for the last 15 days. And if I go and click on view result, now see, out of 16,000 it got down to only 14 result. So this is like definitely a good way to easily shortlist all the companies that are hiring intern using your tech stack.
And before we proceed, there is a very important task for all the viewers. Please hit the like button.
Another very interesting thing is the assessment part. Although it is in beta, but you can go and try it out. So what happens is that there are a lot many assessments that are available, like backend, full stack, Android, and also the front end. So if you go and take those assessments, and if you be a top performer, then you will be matched automatically with the very good list of employers. So this is definitely a good way to showcase your skills that will automatically match you with the correct companies by AngelList. So I would definitely encourage you all to check out the assessments by AngelList as well.
Bhaiya, can you tell me how I can get an internship from LinkedIn?
Yeah, now coming to the other one, that is LinkedIn. Also I discussed about LinkedIn. So if you come to LinkedIn, and if we go to the jobs section of LinkedIn, then there also you can use a lot of filters and find out the jobs that are currently hiring. So let's say again I want front-end developer in Bangalore, and yeah, I gave all the thing like front-end developer internship in Bangalore, and then you can see there comes a long list of companies that are actually hiring for intern. So you can click the apply, and you will be automatically eligible to apply for all the jobs that are there. So I would definitely say explore this explore the job section of LinkedIn as well as AngelList.
Okay. Can you tell me about the third method?
So method 3 that I want to share with you, and this method is not used by lot many people, but it is actually a very effective method, and this is called cold emailing. So what happens in a cold emailing is that you write an email describing your skill set and attaching your resume and send it to the recruiters or the management people of the company that you want to work with their company, even though they might not be exclusively hiring for a particular role. So that is what is a very basic definition of cold emailing, where you go from door to door and apply via your resume to the companies. So one of my friends, you can check the video here, he got an internship offer in Gojek just by doing cold emailing. So again, this is a very effective method and it can be very beneficial if you use it properly.
इतने सारे process. Thank you so much भैया for all the help.
एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के।
हाँ भैया, I came across few internship opening of unpaid internship. Should I go and work for free?
Okay, so see, initially you might be tempted to do an unpaid internship, but what I strongly believe is that you should never work for free. So what you should do instead is that you should focus on your skill, build your profile, get some project, and if you really want to work for free just to get experience, then go and work for open source project. There are lot many open source communities, open source project where you can go and contribute and build your skill and your profile, and that will actually add value to the whole community as a whole. So what I strongly suggest again and repeat again is that instead of going and working for a corporate for free, go and contribute your time, your energy, your effort into some open source project for free, and that will definitely add more value not only to the organization, not only to the community, but also to your profile as a whole.
So Bhaiya, my next question is, when should I apply for internship?
Okay, see, there is no perfect time as such for applying for an internship. Like, there are some companies that did hire a few months back. Some companies like Goldman Sachs is having their internship rounds like right now, and there will be other companies those will be opening their internship rounds in future. So what I would ideally suggest is that whenever you get time, you just try to start applying to companies. And secondly, let's say if you're specifically looking for internship in a particular duration, then ideally you should be starting the internship search 2 to 3 months prior the time you want to intern. Like, let's say you want to intern in summer, then 2 to 3 months before the summer you should be starting like your internship application process. And yes, there is one more important tip and method from my side. So that is, whenever you are applying to all these multiple companies, you will be definitely confused as of in which companies you already applied, in which companies you were rejected, and in which companies you are having an ongoing interview. So one tip that I would strongly recommend you all to follow is that create an Excel sheet, and in that Excel sheet, enter all the details of all the companies that you have applied and you have an interview process going on. So in that way, you can easily keep a track of all the companies that you have applied, and also if you are rejected by a company, then 6 months or 7 months down the line, you can go back to that list, find out those companies, and then again reapply. So that is definitely a tip that I can give you from my side.
Thank you so much भैया for the time. अभी मैं चलता हूँ apply करने. Bye.
ठीक है भाई, मैं चलता।
Hey, hang on.
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
Please send me your resume.
ठीक है भैया, मैं भेजता हूँ। कर दिया भैया।
To be continued in part 2 on how to make an effective resume. And if you have any question, make sure to leave it in the comments and we will definitely reply to all of those.
Guys, did you see the red button? Just like my red shirt? Go and hit that button.
Thank you for watching.